Eudaimonia welcomes you. This is Humaira, and today's episode is going to be about seed cycling. Are you curious to know about it? Then let's get started. Women's hormones are a complex system that function under a delicate balance. These hormones are greatly influenced by stress, diet, exercise, fatigue, and environmental factors as well. So, if any of these factors affect your hormones, it can cause an imbalance in your hormonal levels. So, in turn, a slight hormonal imbalance can lead to a lot of underlying conditions like acne, PMS, irregular periods, chronic fatigue, thyroid issues, etc. Seed cycling is the practice of eating specific seeds during the two phases of your menstrual cycle to help promote the healthy balance of estrogen and progesterone levels. When your hormone levels are balanced, estrogen level rises during the first half of your cycle, whereas the progesterone levels rise while the estrogen levels decline during the second half of your cycle. An imbalance between estrogen and progesterone can contribute to PMS symptoms, menstrual cramps, acne, short luteal phase, anovulation, irregular cycle, and amenorrhea. So, what are we supposed to consume during these two phases? In your first phase, you have to take 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of flaxseed and 1 to 2 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Grind them into powder and consume them during the first 14 days of your cycle. In the next 14 days of your cycle, you're supposed to have 1 to 2 tablespoon of sesame seed and sunflower seeds, and you have to make it in the form of powder and then ingest. You can incorporate them in by diluting it in water, in milk, or adding in your smoothies, in your shakes, or in your breakfast bowls as well, whatever is convenient for you. Flax seeds are considered phytoestrogens. They naturally support healthy estrogen production. They contain nutritional components called lignans, which help to bind the excess estrogen. They help in lengthening the luteal phase, improving ovulation, and reducing PMS symptoms like breast pain and cramping. Sesame seeds also contain lignans which help to block excess estrogen during the second phase of your menstrual cycle when your progesterone level rise. Sesame seeds are beneficial for postmenopausal women by improving their blood lipids, antioxidants, and sex hormones. Pumpkin and sesame seeds both have a lot of zinc in it. This mineral helps to improve the formation of corpus luteum in the uterus. The corpus luteum is responsible for producing progesterone and stimulates the uterus to thicken in preparation for potential implantation. Flax seeds and pumpkin seeds are rich in omega 3 fatty acids. They promote the blood flow to the uterus, increase the progesterone secretion, and help to maintain a healthy cell membrane. Sunflower seeds are high in trace mineral selenium, which supports the estrogen detoxification in the liver. This helps to reduce the excess estrogen during the luteal phase when the estrogen levels declines and the progesterone level increases. So, before you decide to start seed cycling, here are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First of all, make sure that your seeds are grounded. That's right, you have to make a powder, especially of sesame seeds and flax seeds. Making a powder of the seeds will help your body to digest it better, especially in the case of flax seeds. If you're having whole flax seeds, they will not get absorbed and digested that easily. That is the whole point, right? We want the nutrients from these seeds. So make sure that it is in its powder form. Secondly, use the raw form. Do not roast it. Roasting will destroy the nutrients, and also make sure that it is unsalted. It is going to add excess of water weight in your body if you have the salted form. So it should be unsalted and it should not be roasted. Third thing is that it should be stored in an airtight container and kept in a dark place in a cold temperature. If you're keeping it near the sunlight or at a warm temperature, it will lose its properties, it will get rancid and oxidized. So make sure that you store it well. And the final thing is that you have to track your cycle, because that is the important thing over here. First 14 days, you have a set of seeds that you have to eat, and the next 14 days, you have two other seeds that you have to eat. So you must know which phase is going on and what is the seed that you need to have. You need to do this for a couple of months, for 3 to 4 months, to actually see the results. That is all for today. I will see you all next Sunday. I hope this video was helpful. Do try seed cycling if you experience any of these issues, if you have hormonal imbalance. But do not just focus on seed cycling because, like I said, there are so many factors. You have to make sure that you manage your stress, you eat well, you sleep well, you keep yourself hydrated, increase your energy levels, and stop your exposure from the hormone disrupting toxins. And only then you will be able to see the good results. So make sure that you work on these things, understand a concept, and then work on it so that you see the results. Most importantly, stay positive, calm, and patient to see the results. I will see you all next time. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And love, invest, find yourself, and enjoy.